Okay, here's my 2007 Charger that will not start. Fuel pump's good. It's getting 55 psi to the rail. It's getting spark. I've replaced the cam sensor. I've replaced the map sensor with the new style, upgraded style. I bought the car like this, so I don't know how it ran before this. I just cleaned the throttle body. Tomorrow I'm gonna look for a crank sensor and see if that'll do it, but let me get my key here. Okay, no theft light or nothing, so it can't be that problem. I got my gauge still teed on, but okay, so if I crank it normally, but if I give it throttle, she'll backfire out of the intake. So I don't know. All the electrical works. I'm pretty sure that. Oh shit! I guess. Pretty sure the stereo works. Yeah. All that. I mean, I can turn it all up. Yada yada yada. But yeah, if anybody knows, let me know. I'm gonna do the crank sensor tomorrow, and we'll see.